Good evening from the Arizona desert. My name is Tom, and I'm out here in Phoenix, Arizona, and these are the nightly DoorDash numbers from the desert. Well, today was Saturday, and we finished with 509.41, and it feels great when we're um, over 400, and it feels amazing when we're over 500. And what I'm finding now is that when I schedule myself from 6 a.m. until midnight, if around 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock in the evening, I add 3 more hours on, it flips a switch with the AI. It seems like all of a sudden I'm getting stacked orders. I'm getting stacked catering orders. I'm getting higher paying stuff. It's just like we are going to reward you for doing that. And at the same time, it's probably blocking one or two other individuals from actually coming onto the system. And that means less saturation and it keeps us busy all the way until 3 o'clock in the morning. So today was an amazing day. Yesterday was, I think, around 470. So just combine those 2 days, we're almost at close to $1,000 for just a 2 day cycle. So tomorrow's our early day. We'll be ending at 11:30, regardless. Um, I don't have any desire to jump back on after midnight. I have to get a haircut. I am looking scruffy, and I don't like looking scruffy. So we're going to take care of some personal hygiene and get back out on the road tomorrow. But it'll be a 5:45 to 11:30 at night shift. We got a lot of stuff done. We're behind as far as our AR tracker, entering our numbers, learning more about YouTube, coming up with a tracking the numbers sheet on the Google sheet so that we can actually do a summary and a breakdown, because we're planning on doing these nightly tracking the numbers where individuals can actually watch me enter the numbers into the Google Sheets. It'll probably just be a half an hour to an hour long session. I don't have much time in the evenings. And I don't plan on staying out till 3 o'clock. Just on a whim, I will. But if I'm home around 12:30, being online until 1 o'clock or 1:30 in the morning, and allowing people to be able to go watch those live presentations afterwards, I think it will be a huge benefit. If people can ask questions, start to pick it apart, start to find their own information in there, and pick my brain as we're actually looking at the numbers. So I think that will have tremendous value. In entering the numbers today, we found a quick solution that is cutting my time down uh, dramatically as far as entering in my numbers for jobs that go from, say, a quarter past the hour, excuse me, like 45 minutes past the hour, and it goes past um, 5 minutes after, and it goes to, say, 10 minutes after. A lot of times that means I got to calculate, was it one third, half, a quarter of the time, which side of the hour do those funds go, and this calculator just breaks down what the final result was, how long I was on the job, breaks it down to a per minute dollar amount, and then subtracts that amount from the final payout. So uh, easy peasy, enter in 3, 4, or 5 numbers, and it spits out the end result. I don't have to break out a calculator and enter all that stuff in. The sheet just does all the work, and that's the idea. So a lot of things are changing. Starlink has shown up. We're looking at getting that installed. I have to find a slimline suction mount for the sunroof, and we're going to be using the mobile network as a backup. I just have to configure the laptop once that's done. So things are moving and grooving, and we're making progress. So yeah, today was a great day. We're just we're abandoning watching YouTube until we can get our tasks done, because I just found that was sucking away my time and I wasn't staying focused. So we're back on track. We're making money. we're paying down debt. We're close to going live, on a daily basis, and things are happening. So hopefully things are happening for you. I'm here getting gas to set up myself up for tomorrow. Hopefully you've done the same. Hopefully you're ready to go. Hopefully you're ready to rock and roll and go make some money. So with that, I'm gonna go and pump some gas so that I can get to bed and then go first thing in the morning. With that, I bid adieu, and we will talk to you tomorrow. Have a great night.